So this is Solid Branch 353 over here. So hope you're doing well. So I was having some exams over these weeks. So now I'm free and in this video I'll be showing you how to set up Flutter. That is a framework for creating Android application, and the programming language that we use is Dart. So let's set up in Windows. So I was having a Linux system, but the Linux system is a bit slow. That's why not slow. I'm not able to install the Visual Studio as well as BlueStacks inside Linux. So I remove Linux and install Windows again. So I'll be showing you how to install Flutter inside this system. So the system is like having about an SSD, like about 1 TB of SSD, and then we have an 8 GB of RAM. And also I'll be programming the Flutter applications in my PC, which is having a 16 GB RAM, because this RAM is not enough for Android Studio as well as our ADB, that is our Android debug. That is our Android virtual device AVD to run. So therefore I'll be using our PC, that is 16 GB RAM, for programming the Flutter applications. But for now I'll be showing you the installation process in this device, which is having about 7.9, which is equal to 8 GB. Then we have a CPU of about 8 logical processor, but my other PC is having 12 logical processor, so it is more kind of powerful than this one. So it's all having it's kind of GPU, that is Intel UDI EFS 320, but the other PC is having like NVIDIA GeForce, so I'll be using that for programming. So currently I'll be installing this, so let's stop talking and go to our installation process. So first of all, open the Edge or Chrome or anything that you want. So after opening our browser, the first thing to do is to type Flutter SDK. So we'll be downloading the Flutter SDK. So click over here and it'll be showing the Flutter SDKs. Now over here, once you go, okay, about over here, let's click over here and it'll be, and now you'll be able to see a zip file which is downloading over here. I'll show you. So over here you'll be able to see one zip file like Flutter Windows 3.24.3 stable zip. So let's wait for it to download. So within that time, let's go ahead and install the next important thing, that is our Android Studio, which is used to download the ADB command line tools and etc. And also we will be using that to download and install the Android virtual device for testing our application for debugging purposes. And also ensure that you have VS Code installed, so that you don't need to open up our Android Studio, which is very resource consuming application, either than just using the Visual Studio Code for programming it. Okay, and also just go ahead and type Android Studio download. So this will redirect it to the Android developer software, like that website, which will let you install the Android Studio. So the latest release is the Android Studio Ladybug. So like these are the features the core features that are being implemented in this application. So just don't read those things because it's not needed for us right now. And now let's go ahead and click on the download button and just scroll and click here, because we don't have time to read those things. So okay, some issue. Then sorry, yes, network issue occurred. Okay, let's wait for this to install and let it install. Okay guys, so we are back. So like the Android Studio is like going a bit slow. Anyway, our Flutter SDK is being downloaded successfully. Now open up our this file app and go to downloads. So inside downloads you will be able to see a Flutter stables compressed zip file will be there. Now over here, let's just turn it over and let me go ahead and put it in pictures or something. Let me just paste it over here. Okay, now it's time to extract the files to here, over here. So extract all, and okay, done. Now click on extract, and now you'll be able to see that the files are being extracted. Okay, wait. Something happened. Okay, now you'll be able to see that it's discovering items. So it's the last set of files, including our SDK, our bin files, all the files which are required to create the applications. So it will take some time to complete the process. Anyway, let's wait till it's completed. So it's taking about 2 minutes. Like, this is faster because I'm using SSD. So I recommend using SSD rather than using HDD. Or else you can, like, it will take so much time for you to complete the process. That's why I'm recommending you SSD. I'm using Kingston SSD, which is a bit more faster. You can buy Samsung also, it's your choice. But anyway, and using SSD will be speeding up your process and saving your time. Speed up boy. Okay, speed. Come on. Okay, like you're studied, maybe. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's go ahead and check whether. Okay, this is almost finished. Like, about 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, let it. Okay, once it is finished, let's go ahead and install it. Okay. No. It's now finished downloading, but I don't know why it's not finishing. Oh, guys, we need to create one website like this. Like, this is super amazing. Like, hovering and these things, I like so much. So in this video or the other, we will be creating one like this. Okay, it's so amazing. Okay, I don't know what is going over here. I think it's completed. Let's go to downloads. So inside downloads, you'll be able to see that our Android Studio application is being successfully downloaded. It's our 1.13 GB. Just click enter or double click. I'm clicking enter. Okay, after clicking enter, we will be able to download the Android Studio application into your PC. Okay. Let's wait. Let's close it. Yeah, so we're just verifying the installer so we can set up the pop of the Android Studio application setup. Yeah, so over here nothing happened. I don't know why it didn't happen. Okay, now it's just asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Once it is shown, just click yes. Don't think anything over, because it is just like a question of warning whether you need to change your PC using this application. We need to. Okay, so now you'll be able to see the Android Studio setup being popped up. Now this is the Android Studio setup application window. Now this is amazing. Like, setup will guide you through installation. So once it is done, then just click in next. Select components to install. So we will be installing the Android Studio Development IDE, that's Integrated Development Environment, as well as we will be installing a pre-configured and optimized Android virtual device which is used for testing the emulator, either than just copying the APK 100 times into our phone and just opening up the application until we are tired up or fed up. So to prevent that, we will be installing the Android virtual devices into the PC so that we can just test the application inside our PC itself. But it will be consuming the resources more rather than using a USB debugging application by directly connecting it to a mobile phone or an Android device. Now it's done. Now let's go ahead and click the next button. Now it will be asking the installation location, like where should the Android Studio be installed. So it is the default path for installing the Android Studio. Once it's done, just click the next button and now click install. Now you'll be able to see that this is extracting all these things, all the files which are required for the booting up and the setup of our Android Studio. So let's wait until it's done, and our Flutter is like take. Oh no, guys, this button കുറച്ച് പറഞ്ഞതുകൊണ്ട് സ്പീഡ് കൂടുതലാണ്. ഇപ്പം തന്നെ എല്ലാം തുളച്ച് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ട് ഗൈസ്. ഒന്ന് നല്ല കാര്യം പറഞ്ഞ ഒരിക്കലും അതിനെന്താ ഇങ്ങനെ പോകുന്നതെന്ന് രണ്ടും കൂടെ ഒറ്റയടിക്ക് ഓടിച്ചോണ്ടാണെന്ന് അറിയില്ല. വേണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇതിപ്പോൾ 7 minutes ആയി. I don't know what is going on. Like earlier it showed like about 2 minutes left for it to complete the process, and now it's about 7 minutes and 30 seconds. It's just prediction, and prediction is always wrong. Sometimes wrong. നമ്മുടെ ഉണ്ടാവണമെന്ന് അറിയില്ല. നമ്മളിതുകൊണ്ട് ഇട്ടതുകൊണ്ട് this is a bit resource conserving, sorry, resource capturing, resource eating software. So okay, so it is completed. Now let's click on next, and here you'll be able to create a checkbox, start Android Studio. Just uncheck the box and click off the finish button. Now you'll be able to see that your Android Studio where's it? If Android Studio is missing, guys, let's find it out. That's it. Android Studio is missing. That's bad. Hey, really? Why is this so funny? Like, our Android Studio is missing. Guys, and what is this? But I don't know why is this shown over here. I'm sure I don't think. Anyway, let's just make a shortcut over here. Anyway, let's double click over here. Yes, for you this will be like appearing over here between like menu A, so you can just access it from here. I don't know. Yeah. Now it's okay. Yes, now it's just close it off. Don't send. And now we'll be able to see that the Android Studio is being. No, just click over there, and no need to go to the C at all. So it's showing that welcome to Android. So this is a welcome screen of Android Studio, and it will be like welcome. This wizard will set you up a development environment for Android Studio. Additionally, the wizard will help for accessing Android apps into Android Studio or create a new Android application project. So after reading this, so here will be a beautiful image and it's satisfying. Just press the next button, and it will so currently for most users the standard is being recommended. So I'm going with it. If you want, you can go with custom. So the standard is better. I mean, it's good. So let's speed up everything. Okay, standard here. What? Oh guys, this is 2.25 GB. Like currently I'm having about 800 GB of disk size left, so it's nothing compared to my disk. So Android emulator I got 400 MB, but after opening the Android emulator it will be like about 3 GB. So currently it is 4 GB. Like after running the Android emulator for one time, it will change into 3 GB or something, which is unpredictable. And so the Google Pay into this system image. So this is used for the downloading installing the Google Play Store and all. So after reading everything, click next and click accept, and click over here and click accept as well. Now click on the finish button, and over here you will be able to see that our Android Studio is downloading the required files from online, like from their server, and they will be downloading that into our PC, and later on they will be installing it into our PC, which we will then use for development purposes. Let's wait for it to complete, and this Flutter is taking a long time to complete this process. So now it's showing 2 minutes. I don't know why. Okay, like only about 21 MB is left. I don't know why it's showing still so slow. Anyways, download the components which are required for it to uh, for the Android Studio to work. Let's wait. Okay. Guys, so the Flutter is being closed off, and when you go to pictures, you'll be able to see that our Flutter Windows table is being extracted. So it's about 3.2.3 GB. So inside Flutter, you'll be able to see all the files which are required for the setup. Just go to bin, and inside bin, you'll be able to see the Flutter executable batch file. That is a batch, yeah, it's a batch file. So the important thing that you're gonna do is to just copy this path and go to environmental variables. So edit the system environmental variables and click on the environmental variables. Over here in the system variables, you'll be able to see a path. Click over edit and click the new button and just paste the path to your bin folder of Flutter. After adding, just click enter and click OK. So now it's done. Click OK, click OK. So now it's being added to the system environment variable. Now the next important thing is to wait until this thing is downloaded, because after downloading this, we need to download the ADB command lines tools, etc. All these things are we need to download that from this Android Studio. Also, one more thing, let's go ahead and open up the CMD and check whether the Flutter is being can access. So just click Flutter, type Flutter lock door, press enter, and now it is showing a bunch of errors because nothing is being downloaded or installed. Anyway, let's wait for this components to be installed. Okay, so let's wait. I think let's wait until this is completed. Let's stop this process. Any of Flutter is working. Pop it off. Need of that. Now let's wait until this is being installed. Okay guys, now you'll be able to see that everything is successfully created and everything is installed. Also Ham's Hacksum, that's Intel Hacksum, which is like an optimization for the AVD. Now after it's being completed, now just click finish. Now our welcome to Android Studio window will be pop up. Now the next important thing is go to plugins. Inside plugins, go ahead and type Flutter. Click install. Now wait for this to install. And now it's done. Now click restart IDE. Now it's in. Now we're able to see a new option, new Flutter project. Before doing it, click more actions and click the SDK manager. Now inside SDK manager, go ahead and click the SDK tools. For SDK tools, you'll be able to see that Android SDK by build. Then click over the Android SDK manager, which is so important. Then we have Android emulator, Android SDK platform tools, all these things. If you want, you can click all these things, but it's not required. Click Android SDK command lines tools and just click apply and click OK. and wait for it to get installed. It's about 136.8 MB. Click command line tools. I mean 122.66719 latest step dot zip. So it's requesting us to please wait until the actions are being completed. Okay, let's wait. So it's unzipping all the zip. Okay, it's done. Now click finish and click apply and okay. So everything is done. Now let's close off the Android Studio and go ahead and open up our command line. Sorry, command prompt, and let me zoom it off. Okay, now type enter doctor. Now by pressing enter, it will be like, so this Flutter, right? This Flutter will be activating that flutter.bat file, that bash file just shown, and it will be like the doctor function. So let's wait for it to check whether everything is being completely done. Let's wait. Time to wait. Guys, 10 നൂറ്റാണ്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടും ഒന്നും തന്നെ സംഭവിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്ത് നിർത്താം. മതി. കൺട്രോൾ സി അടിച്ചപ്പോൾ എല്ലാം നോക്കായി പൊള്ളി. മോനെ സീന്. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ കാണുന്നത് കൺട്രോൾ സി അടിക്കുമ്പോൾ സ്റ്റോപ്പാണ് പറയുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയെന്ന് അറിയാം. ഓക്കെ, സൈഡിൽ നമ്മുടെ കുറേ സമയം ചുമ്മാ വേസ്റ്റ് ആയിപ്പോയി. സോ ഇപ്പോൾ ക്രോം നമ്മൾ ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. നമുക്ക് ക്രോം ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്യാം. വേറെ ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്യാം, പക്ഷേ ഞാൻ ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്ത് കാണിക്കാം. ഫുൾ സെറ്റപ്പാണല്ലോ ഈ വീഡിയോ. അവിടെ എല്ലാം ഞാൻ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. Guys, let's go ahead and install the Chrome. So click Chrome in the browser. Click download Chrome. So Chrome setup. Click on open file. Click S. So it's initializing. Downloading. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! So download is complete. Now it's installing the Chrome in your PC. So let's install. Now let's go on to command prompt and see what is this one. So Android solution developed for Android devices, Android single version. Some Android licenses are not. Okay, so that's. So let's go and run Flutter Doctor Android license. So type Flutter Doctor Android licenses. Yes, sorry, let's enter. So over here you'll be able to see that our Chrome is being installed. Okay, so now our Chrome is done, full setup. Click close. Okay, so click Y means yes. Okay, Y means yes. Y Oh, see one. Now go ahead and run the Flutter Doctor again. Yeah, so Flutter is installed. Now done. Now everything is perfect. So everything is done. Just close it off. Close all the things. So don't close this one. Just open up our. So now I will show you how to set up the VS Code. Okay. You have to upload the VS Code. So first install the Luna. Okay, so after installing, go to extensions. Click. Type Flutter. Plus enter. Now click this and click install. And this will let us install the Flutter package. I mean the Flutter extension for the VS Code in our PC. Let's wait until it is being installed. 11 and okay, so check. Good guys, so this has been done. Notice install Dart, but really Dart will come in. Yeah, it's been installed with Flutter. So I'll close everything and let's go ahead and I will show you the two ways in which you can create Flutter files. First of all, the first step is to open up Android Studio. Okay, so once this is open, click on the new Flutter project. After that, click the Flutter option. Now, the Flutter SDK path. So, open this and go to our pictures, and inside pictures, open up the Flutter windows and choose this folder. Flutter. Click OK, and that's it. Click next, and let's name it as something like app. Let's specify the project location. Let it be inside my desktop. Okay, let it be inside desktop. Desktop. Let's create a folder inside that. App and app. Done. Okay. So done. Now description, organization, then the platforms that you need. Yeah. Anyway, you can use this. Okay, I don't like. I'm having the Apple devices. Only the one Apple tablet, and I'm not gonna use it for programming purposes. Anyway, you really choose a platform that you need to program. So click create. Now you'll be able to create that. It will show me creating Flutter project. Now wait for it to create a Flutter project. Now after creating the Flutter project, you will be able to see that is readme.md and main.dart is being displayed. So this main.dart, so this is a Dart programming language, and this file is our main file, and we will be using coding this one to make our app, and also the Windows, Web, Linux, etc. will be over here, Android, etc. So after that, over here in the device manager, you'll be able to see our phone, like the thing that the API which we have in which we have created earlier. Just click on the start button to start it off. But anyway, if you start usually in the PC couple, I guess you won't make some. Anyway, I'll just show it. I put it off right and click allow. Okay, anyway, after connecting, you will be able to see a phone, and by pressing this green button, run button, you will be able to first of all, it will be running like Gradle, and after the APK is being created, it will automatically send that to the phone, and then the phone will be installing the APK. Then we will be able to see our application right over here. But currently it just show slow, so I'm not gonna run it in this right now. Okay, so this is the first method to create and do programming. But in case if you are using a VS Code, the first thing that you want to do is to create. So if you are using a VS Code, the first thing is go ahead and open up the terminal. Over here, the terminal, the CD to desktop, and over here let's create so if you want to create use VS Code programming, then you can type Flutter create app, press enter, and now wait for a bit of time, and you'll be able to see that. Okay, done. Now minimize this application, and you'll be able to see that our app has been created here successfully. Click Linux, Mac. This is completely the Windows, Web, Mac, Linux, Lib, iOS, Android, etc. So lib file is our main file, Now next thing is click over here and click open folder and go to desktop and open up the app folder and click select folder, and that's it. And done. Now go to left, go to left main.dart, and over here in the down portion you'll be able to see that a Windows option. Click Windows and you'll be able to see that two options, start medium phone API. Just click on start medium phone API and you'll be able to see a window. There is a modifier കാണാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിരുത് ഈ സോമ ഇതോടെ ആകാശത്തോട് സ്പോൺ ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചേക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിരുത് ഇത് ഉപയോഗിക്കാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണെന്ന് കേസോടെ ബോഡി കൊണ്ട് ആകാശത്തോട് സ്പോൺ ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചേക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിരുത് പവർ ആൻഡ്രോയിഡ് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ മോഡലൊന്നും കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. പക്ഷേ ഗൂഗിൾ വരെ മോശമായി, ഇപ്പോൾ ഗൂഗിൾ വരെ ഭയങ്കര മോശം അതുകൊണ്ട് കാണാൻ കൂടി പറ്റുന്നില്ല. എന്തിരുത് എനിക്ക് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന സംഭവമാണ്. എനിക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ ഒന്നും കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല, എല്ലാം ആകാശത്ത് കിടക്കാണ്. നിങ്ങളെ മിസ് ചിലപ്പോൾ ഇത് ആകാശത്തല്ല. ഇപ്പോൾ സോ നമ്മൾ ഗൂഗിൾ ഇവിടെ ഓൺ ആയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഐ മീൻ ഫോൺ ഇവിടെ ഓൺ ആയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. മീൻസ് എനിക്കൊന്ന് ഈ ഫോണിന് സൈസ് ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ സ്ക്രീനിൽ സെറ്റ് ആവുന്നില്ല, സൈസ് കൂടി കുറയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റുമല്ലോ. കുറയ്ക്കാനൊക്കെ പറ്റും കേട്ടോ. വിഷയം ഇത്ര കൊച്ചു പൈനലിന് വരെ ആക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഇങ്ങനെ സാധാരണ സംഭവം ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ കൂട്ടാനൊക്കെ പറ്റും, പൊളിയാണ്. എന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ കോഡ് എഴുതാം. ഇവിടെ കോഡ് എഴുതിയിട്ട് ആ റണ്ണിൽ പോകണം. സോ ആഫ്റ്റർ റണ്ണിങ് കോഡ് ജസ്റ്റ് ഗോ ടു റൺ and click run without debugging, and it will be sending that to here and done. That's it. So that's it for today. Now this is a video about how to set up Flutter in your Windows PC. So that's it for today, and in the next video I'll be coming with a project in which we will be creating a Flutter project, and we will be creating applications for each of these, and we will be making calculator app as our beginner project. As you know, I'm learning Flutter right now. So my first project will be calculator app. So calculator app we will be creating for Android, Linux, Android, Windows and Mac. So in these three platforms we will be creating a calculator app, and then I'll be showing you guys how to create it and how to run it off and how to set the entire thing up. So I'll be showing you guys about those things in the next video. Until that, bye bye and see you in the next video. This is Solid signing out. Bye.